Hey my pretties, welcome back. So I just walked inside of the Dollar Tree and I wanted to show you guys this display because they put out the checkers with all the words on it, winter wishes. They have the oven mitts, deck the halls. I think that's all. Oh, that one, it's the most wonderful time of the year. That's cute. They do have the plates, cookies for Santa, comfort and joy. I'm surprised they even have any of these left. I thought these would fly off the shelf. It's the most wonderful time of the year right there. Really cute. I don't even know what color scheme I'm going for this year, so I'm gonna have to pass on these, but I do think I'm gonna get one of these. Here's some more of the oven mitts right here. I like this pattern right here with the tree and the presents. Cute. And that one. Putting out all of their ornaments. Those, the candy canes, the real big ones right here. They have different ones. I like that one. Up here they have the motion activated ornaments. That one. Oh, I don't want to turn it on. It's probably loud. They have the snowman. They have the Santa. And look at this one. This one is so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm tempted to turn it on. I'm not gonna do it. So I see those window decorations and I think these are cute. Look at that. I think I'm gonna get these. Oh, I like those. So let's see, they just have a stack of them right here. I don't know if there's any more. Oh, yep, there's a few. The blue ones with the presents. Santa and a gingerbread, but I'm definitely gonna get one of these. Here is some new collapsible storage containers. This one says favorite things. Let's see. Trinkets and things, favorite things, or amazing things. And these come in this blue, and it looks like a light blue or a gray. Oh yeah, it's gray. So favorite things, amazing things, trinkets and things. That is really cute. I don't need these, but that's cute. They are stocking out their socks. I've showed you guys these. Oh, Snow, you didn't. That pair right there. There's the Nutcracker. And then you have the little gingerbread guy with the candy. Snowman, Santa. Oh, there's the ones that say, oh snap. Those were here last year though, but I like those. You have the ice cube tray right here with the bells and the holly berries. You have the penguins, and this one is candy canes and candy. These would be cute to do, like put some chocolates in, or even do like a little jello mold or something. Really cute. I like those. Here's more of the neckties. That's the reindeer. You have the Christmas tree. This one has the green top. And then there's the snowman. They have the solar stake lights with the snowman, which is really cute with the red and white stripe. Or you can get Santa. This is how they're displaying their charger plates. So you have the red ones, the silver ones. And they have the ones that look like wood. Aren't those pretty? I like those. I think I'm going to get a couple of those today. They have the gold. These are the ones that I have on my table right now. Let me see. These are really, really pretty. I like those. They have the regular ones too, which is different than that. You can see the difference. I prefer that one. They have a few of those, but that's all I see. But I know for sure I'm gonna get these. They have some new doggy toys. Deck the Paws Christmas latex ornament. These are retail for $4, and it's a cute little Christmas tree like that. Oh gosh, I had to. And they do have a Santa Claus. I like these. I think I want to get this tree. Here is their display with like all the LA Colors stuff that we've seen already. But I did not see these. Nail polish, and it comes with a cute little foul, and it's glittery. So you get one polish and a foul, and they have different ones. Pink, gold, there's a silver. Okay, so they've put out some more Loma Linda, and these are different than the first ones I saw. What I didn't know at first was that this is plant-based protein, and this is vegan, 6 grams of protein, gluten-free. So this is taco filling, and it's 10 ounces. You can actually see it in there. Looks kind of good. I don't know if I'll try it. But they have that. They have the Thai red curry with coconut and mock duck. Is that duck? This is 10 ounces.
Balloon assistance, please.
I see tikka masala with chicken and rice. All of these are 10 ounces so far. Here is Thai green curry with chicken and rice. Very interesting. Chicken and mushroom risotto. That one. Chicken and mushroom. And then, yeah, these were the first ones I saw. That's what I was thinking. It was tuna. So the lemon pepper and the Thai sweet chili. But they really are just bringing all of this. So that's kind of cool if you like these. Oh, look at this one right here. That's cute. Farm fresh Christmas trees. This one, the glitter is kind of messed up on the pine spruce fir. But that's kind of cute. I swear I just saw a picture just like this at Michael's. Yeah, there's a few of those. The warm wishes and Merry Christmas. Dang, that one is messed up. But I guess you can go clean that up. It's still nice. These down here, let go, let God, and grateful, thankful, blessed. Okay, you guys, that's gonna be it for today in the Dollar Tree. I don't see anything back here in the cookware section, but I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough, and I'll talk to you real soon in my next video. Okay, bye.